The easiest way to grow a YouTube channel right now is to go viral. And going viral means getting YouTube algorithm to promote your video, to recommend your video to thousands and hundreds of thousands of people. So there are two things it takes to go viral on YouTube. The first one is called, if you're any YouTuber, you have less than 1,000 subscribers, your channel is not monetized, and you're worried, will this ever happen? What can I do to grow my YouTube channel really fast? This video is for you. I want to share 5 tips and strategies that will help you grow your YouTube channel really fast, get subscribers and watch hours, so you get monetized as soon as possible. These are things I wish someone told me a couple of years ago when I started to help me grow my channel really fast. I'm going to share all of them with you. All you need is watch to the end and implement, and you're going to see massive results in your channel growth. Number 4 is a banger, because this is actually where I explain what it takes to go viral on YouTube, what YouTube algorithm is looking for. If you want to get a lot of views and grow your channel really fast, this is exactly what you need to do as a new YouTuber. So are you ready? Let's jump straight in. Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka, and on this channel we talk all things money. How to make money both online and offline. So if making money is your thing, go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get notified each time we publish new videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight in. First one is consistency. Now hold on a moment, let me explain it in a way you understand it. You are new here, we don't know you, and the only way we know you, like and trust you, and eventually subscribe to your channel is if you consistently show up on our faces. I watched the video today. Tomorrow I'm going to come back to YouTube, and if I see you again, I recognize the face I saw yesterday and I'll watch your video. If I come here tomorrow and I don't see you again, another person's video is on my face, you've lost me. Interesting thing is that algorithm favors consistency. Have you noticed that when you watch somebody's video, the next time you show up on YouTube, YouTube recommends that person's video again? So if you're not consistent, YouTube cannot recommend you. And if we don't see you over time, we forget about you because other people are competing with you. They will take our attention. So now you see how important consistency is. You're asking, what can I do to improve my consistency? There are a couple of things you can do. The first one is to batch produce your videos. So make out a day you are going to create 3, 4, 5, 6 videos, and then make out another day where you're going to edit these videos. This way you have videos already waiting. So even when you are not in a mood to make videos, you consistently put out content. That's the truth. As a new YouTuber, you are going to publish videos and you hear crickets. You don't get views. And when you begin to compare yourself with already established YouTubers who are getting thousands and hundreds of thousands of views, you are going to get demoralized. And because you're making your video part-time, you might not be able to keep up with consistency. But when you batch produce, these videos are already there. You continue to upload the videos even when you're not getting views, knowing that the videos are ready, and eventually you will get there if you remain consistent. And one more thing to help you with consistency is to have a schedule. Don't just post whenever you want, however you want it. No, we need to know when to expect your next video. So if you are posting 3 videos a week, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, we already know that this is the time to expect a content from you. This way, you prove that you are reliable, and we love it when we can count on people. The question is, how do you get these video ideas that you are going to make that are guaranteed to do well? If you went to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to get at least 100 video ideas that are guaranteed to go viral in your niche. The second is posting time. You don't post videos when you like, how you like. No, there's something we call peak time on YouTube. So you need to post your videos when your target audience are online. Because when you post a video and the video doesn't do well, after some hours, the possibility of that video being shown to people will decrease because new videos are uploaded every second. So you need to consider the timing of your post. There are 2 ways to do this. The first is to use general best time, and the second one is to use YouTube analytics. General best time means the time of the day that most of your audience are usually online. We have 3 peak hours of the day. The first is early in the morning. People tend to check their social media just before they go to work. Another good time is break time. So around 12:01, when people have their break, they quickly check on YouTube. So if you post that moment, you're going to get a lot of eyeballs as soon as the video goes live. And the third best time in the day is evening time, between 6 to 8 p.m. when people are relaxed in their homes. They're looking for ways to, while away time. When you post such a time, it's perfect. But this peak time depends on the geographic location of your audience. We operate different time zones. So you need to understand the geographic location of your audience so you'll be able to post at their peak time. The third strategy is editing. Did you know that one reason why people watch videos for a longer time is not necessarily what the person is saying, but how the video makes us feel, which boils down to editing. So if you want to grow your YouTube channel, you need to learn how to edit videos the right way. It is this editing that gets people to watch the video for a longer time. You need to learn how to use B-rolls. You need to learn how to use text, music, and any other thing you can think of that will make that video appealing to your target audience and get them to watch the video for a longer time. And the longer we watch the video, the higher your chances of going viral. I'm going to talk about that in a moment. So think of those channels you watch their videos from beginning to the end. If you look at it critically, it is their editing. So when editing is flawless, we tend to stay back, not just listening to what they're saying, but enjoying what we are seeing. So you need to master that skill called video editing, so you'll be able to get our attention, sustain our attention. That said, if you want to learn how to edit video the way that gets attention, you want to wait till the end of this video, because I'm going to hand it over to you in a moment. And here comes the fourth one, the most reliable way to grow a YouTube channel really fast. And that is to get YouTube algorithm to help you grow your YouTube channel. Have you seen channels that just started a couple of weeks, they're getting hundreds of thousands of views and subscribers? That's what happens when YouTube algorithm picks your video and promotes your video. And there are two things YouTube algorithm looks for to promote a video. So these are the two things you should be paying attention right now if you want to grow your channel overnight. The first one is called AVD and the second one is called CTR. AVD means average view duration. So this is what it means. When you upload your video on YouTube, YouTube algorithm is observing. It wants to know how long people spend on average watching the video. So you uploaded a video of 5 minutes and people spend 4 minutes, 5 minutes watching the whole of the clip. It means the video is valuable and they are ready to promote it, to show it to your look-alike audience. So the goal is to get a high AVD, and AVD is all about value in the video. If a video is considered valuable by your target audience, they are going to watch the video for a longer time, and that's where a lot of new YouTubers are missing it. When your video opens, don't go beating around the bush. Don't go extending it and doing a lot of unnecessary things. We don't need that. We need you to give us value up front. What is this video all about? What am I going to gain by staying back to watch this video? You need to let me know this, because this is the only way to get my attention and get me stay back and watch the video. I explained this in details in my 10-day YouTube challenge. And the second one is CTR, which means click-through rate. CTR is all about your thumbnail. So if a thumbnail is catchy, attractive, irresistible, people are going to stop to watch the video. But if it's not, it doesn't matter the value the content carries. We do not know that it's valuable, so we are not going to watch it. This is why you should learn how to create attractive thumbnails, because good thumbnails sells the video. As a matter of fact, your thumbnail can make or break your videos and your channel growth. This is one of the things I cover in my YouTube coaching program. And the bonus point here is SEO, knowing how to write the right kind of title and description of your video that YouTube algorithm quickly recognizes who it's for, and then be able to rank the video. When you master these things, growing your YouTube channel, getting subscribers, and getting monetized becomes a walk in the park. The fifth strategy is using YouTube Shorts. Now, you need to understand that Short has a role it plays in growing a YouTube channel. So, short videos get attention and drive traffic to your channel. Yes, as a new YouTuber, they might not give you the watch hours you need, but you need the traffic, and that's why you need both the shorts and the long videos. YouTube promotes short videos. So when you make good short videos, people come in contact with your videos. Once they watch the video, they find it valuable, they want to learn more from you, and from the short video, they are going to get to your channel, and it makes it super easy for them to subscribe to your channel. So you do need both long videos and short videos. By the way, you can still monetize your channel using short videos, because there's yet another way to monetize. You either monetize using 4,000 watch hours, or you monetize using 10 million views on your short videos in 90 days. So it's going to be of your best interest to start making short videos. Now, these shorts must be in alignment with what your channel is. So don't go making short videos just because that topic is going viral. It has to be in your own niche. So finally, how do you get all of this? It boils down to learning the skills and getting proper training on how YouTube is done, the skills, the strategies, the tips and hacks, and even continuous support to grow your YouTube channel. And that's where the 10-day YouTube challenge comes in. I run a group coaching program. In this program, you learn all the skills, strategies, tips, and hacks to launch, grow, and monetize your YouTube channel. At the end of the coaching program, you join the support group where you are going to get continuous daily support from other YouTubers too to grow your YouTube channel really fast. This program is coming up in a few days' time. The link to sign up is contained in the description of this video, as well as the first comment. I hope to see you in class. Please give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you've not. See you in my next video. Bye.